is it, guys. Ito na. Nakauna na kami sa finals, best of 3. Naka 1-0 na. Ngayon gabi, kung makukuha namin na panalo, kami na champion. Sana manalo kami ngayon para tapos na ang liga. Para makapagpahinga na rin ng mga tuhod ng mga Thunders. Ng tropa, syempre. Kaya guys, update ko kayo mamaya kung ano mangyayari sa game 2 ng finals ng Golden Boys Basketball League. See you later, guys. Happy Fiesta, Apu, Santo Cristo.
21-20 lead para sa ating abay-abay. Ang bonus for jersey number 5, that was given to Bisna. Bisna cross-court pass given number 7, general jumper, Maxine for Santa Cruz. Tolentino launches, no go. Marcus Papa on the defensive rebound. And it is still and a putback para kay number 3, that was Santos. Pixel the ball para kay number 16, yun, nanakaw ni Santos, kaya punta po sa ating abay-abay, balik ang kalamangan. The stature of the team abay-abay. Wide open, 3, knocks it down para kay Sampang. Jimenez with the back pedal. Jimenez over to Garcia. A good save para kay Garcia, para siya Tolentino on the wings. Shot 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. A drop pass from down low and short for number 88. Second to his last throw. Aims, fires a split para kay Mr. Jimenez. 27.
Si ano yan, no?
27 to 28, 1 point lead for the team sa lead. Comes swing, stop and pump. A short rebound on Matias. Across court was a nice anticipation para kay Santos. Sampang, zigzagging, penetrates with slow para kay Sampang. It's a 30 to 27, 3-point lead for the team Santa Cruz. Santos roaming around, sending a play, giving to Jimenez. Jimenez slicing on the middle, deflected, follow up, and a putback para kay jersey number 88. Dahil po, yun po, ano po talaga yun, legal attempt. Pwede mong i-dribble, pwede mong kunin, pwede mong shoot, pwede mong ipasa. Legal attempt po yung nobody's goal. Dati po, double dribble yung ganyan, hindi na po. Wide open for swing, shoot, rebound on Tolentino. Tolentino, across court pass para kay number 88. A bounce pass, a nice anticipation para kay swing. Over to number 17, Magaspak. Magaspak on dribble. Magaspak, he fakes turnaround, jumper in out, rebound on Garcia. Garcia to Santos, 30 to 29, 1-point lead. Santos, a drop pass, the Terminator with a left-hander. Reverse won't go, rebound on swing. Given to jersey number 16, and that was Bisna. Bisna setting a play for the Santa Cruz. Bisna looking for a receiver. With a shot clock winding 12, 11, 10, 9 shot clock is reset. Rebound by the jersey number 88. Garcia bounce was for Tolentino. Tolentino stop and pop from downtown, in and out. Available one foul from behind. A foul on jersey number 10. Santos on the ball, jersey number 19 for the team Santa Cruz. Notice an 18-foot long, one rebound on jersey number, the bounce pass, Santos almost driven. Santos turn around jumper and throws a foul. Foul on jersey number 19. That was also Santos for the team Santa Cruz with a team foul number 2 and a first team foul. 2 shots for number 3, Santos for the team Abay-Abay. First is good para kay Santos. It's a time ball game. And for the second to his last throw, is a split. Recovers by Santos. Santos on the roll, giving to Matias. 14 on the shot clock. Over to Tolentino. Shot clock down to 10. 9, 8, 7, 6. Counter shot is good para kay Santos and drops the lead with the 32 to 30. 2-point lead for the team of Abay-Abay with 6 minutes and 35 remaining in the first half. Santos jersey number 19 over to Swing. Swing with a flop with a nonsense back for Swing. It's another deadlock 30 love pass Ay, ball game kayo. 19 kanina eh. Oh, isa lang yung napasok ni Santos yan. Sampang long range 3! It's a 35-32. 3-point lead for the Santa Cruz. Ball off his hand and knocks it away. Basket is count. Foul on jersey number 77. That was Polintan. Grabs his second with the tip foul number 3. 3-point play opportunity para the jersey number 88. Ang bonus shot to complete on end 1. Bonus shot para kay number 88 won't go. Rebound para kay Swing. And here comes Santos, number 19. Waiting for his teammates to give it to Swing. Bounce pass para kay Sampang. Sampang over to number 17, Makaspan. Harassing by Matias. 14 on the shot clock. Sampang penetrates, won't go. Recovers his own goal. And a footback para kay number 77. 37-34, 3-point lead. Tolentino faded away. Won't go. Rebound on Pulintan. Gave it to jersey number 5 and it comes Swing. Crossing at the midway para kay number 5. A bounce pass para kay Pulintan. Pulintan with a floater. Too strong. Recovers by Swing. Turn around jumper. Puts it up. Wala pa rin. Swing again on the basketball. Looks for interception para kay number 8. And here comes a lap pass para kay number 4. Give it to Santos. Running shot is good para kay number 3. Picks up the ball para kay number 0. And here comes Carlos. Carlos brings down the leather for the veterans. He fires a long 3. Won't go.
Nice shot!
Pero yun may partaya dyan. Foul with the jersey number 10. That was a knocking foul for Carrion. 2 shots given to Pulintan para Langan shooting. First try is good para kay Pulintan. Second to his last throw. 2. One of 2 for Pulintan.
Ganado ka, pre!
Ayaw naman itong 24 ninyo. On the shot clock, wide open for Salenga for 3. Namanya na lang, 37. Napindot na. Edison out of house. That was a turnover. 39 all po tayo, ha? The bounce pass para kay number 88 on the pull-off of the glass is good. Para kay Jimenez. 39-41 in favor of Chase Favor. 2-point lead for the team Abeame. Here comes Swing. Bertrand loses. 13 on the shot clock. Swing on the pull-off. Won't go. Rebound on jersey number 9. That was Santos. But a steal para kay jersey number 0. Carlos zigzagging. Puts it up. Fade away. Won't go. Rebound is Summers. About pace. Fires again. Wala pa rin. Carlos. Puts it away para kay Mr. Carlos. Sa deadlock 41 all. Salenga setting up play for the team Abeame with a 41 apiece. Santos, another pull-up. No go. Rebound on Swing. Swing again on the ball. Give it to jersey number 10, Garcia. 14 on the shot clock. Pull-up is good. Para kay Pulintan.
Pare! Ano naman kinain mo?
Ang may nakain ko, Mr. Pulintan. 43-41, a Chase Favor. Carrion wide open. Won't go. Rebound on Santos. Sige, good pa rin yan. And a good defense. Here comes Bertrand. Bertrand running shot off the glass. Is good para kay Bertrand. Hindi tayo pwede siya. Hintay dead ball. Picks up the ball by Jimenez. A 4-point lead for the Santa Cruz veterans. Jimenez heavily guarded. A bounce pass para kay jersey number 10. Give it to Tolentino from way downtown. Short recovers by Santos. A reverse for Jimenez from down low para kay Jimenez. 45-43, 2-point lead for the Santa Cruz veterans. comes Jersey number 10, carry on. Carry on. Salenga, and that was a traveling violation. Palitan mo pare. Number 3 out. Pasok na si Diciembre. Picks up the ball by Carlos. 45 to 33, 2-point lead. Para sa ating Santa Cruz veteran, si Paul. Inbound goes by number 12, blocked by jersey number, and it's a same ball. 12 seconds on the shot clock for the Santa Cruz veterans. 12 seconds to shoot. Carlos, stop, and foul, 3. Knocks it down para kay Carlos. Here he comes the team of Miami with a 48 to 43. 5-point Diciembre on the long range. Good for 2 para kay Diciembre. 45-48, 3-point lead for the Santa Cruz veterans. 1 minute and 30 remaining in the first half. Swing and drop pass for Politano and reverse. Monco rebound by Jimenez. But steal para kay number 6. A counter steal para kay Jimenez. And here comes number 10, carry on. Carry on. He drives, and that was a whistle blow. Foul on jersey number 2 shots tayo para kay number 0. Attacking foul. And a warning for penalty for the Santa Cruz veterans. 2 shots for carry on. For a foul number 0. That was Carlos. First try connects para kay number 10. Second to his last throw. Aims, fires, 2, 1 of 2. Serve the defense. Sino sir? Swing out. Asal naman si Sampa. 48-47. 1-point lead for the Santa Cruz veterans. Picks up the ball by Carlos. A 1 minute and 10 remaining in the first half. Carlos, a set play. Give it to Garcia. Give it to Politano. One handle. In and out. On jersey number. And here comes number 4. Tolentino attacking. Ball up. No goal. Tapping the ball. And it's a same ball. Last pass for Carlos. 51 seconds to go with the 17 seconds on the shot clock for the team of Miami. Body for number 4. A bounce pass. Diciembre, long range. One goal rebound on jersey number 12. And here comes number 2, Bertrand, setting a play. Give it to Politano. Somehow with the ball base, puts it up. And it's para Somehow. 33 seconds to go. Jimenez with the ball fix, turn around, jumper is good. Para kay Jimenez. 25 seconds. Down to 20 seconds. 1 second differential in our shot clock. Down in our game clock. Wide open for some power in and out. It's a game clock na tayo. 12 seconds. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Counted!
And that was a positive.
Ingat pare! Pare, pinakain ka ng malansa? Pare! Ano pinakain sa'yo pare? Malansang-malansa yung kinain mo pare? Papainin mo mamaya!
Magpapabarangay, jersey number. Ba yan? Pull up. No goal. Rebound para ng jersey number 17. And here comes Bertrand. A 4-point lead for the team of Miami. Pull up again for Bertrand. In and out rebound by Tolentino. Picks up the ball para the number 3. Santos, a bounce pass. Baseline. No good on Cremon. Recovers para the number 3. Santos. An acro. Number 10, Real Putman penetrates is good. 2 ng ating finals para sa ating 50 above. Number 0, Magaspa, stop, and pop, won't go, rebound on Diciembre. Diciembre, give it to Salenga. Salenga in control, jersey number 30. Salenga still on the ball. Over to jersey number 21, Diciembre. Give it to number 10, fadeaway shot. Carell misses. Rebound on Garcia. Garcia to swing, bring down the leather for the jersey number 5. A bounce pass para kay Pulitan. Pulitan, para kay Pulitan.
Ang sama ng
61 to 65, 4-point lead for the White here in the third period. 5 minutes and 40 left in the third. An exhibition game between the team of Miami and the Santa Cruz veterans. Santos kukuha ng pwersa. Santos penetrates and draws a foul. A foul committed in jersey number. And subdivision makaspot out. Team foul number 1. And a 3 shots para kay Santos. Santos with his first try. Connects by Santos. Second to his last throw. 8 fires is a speed. Rebound para sa ating Santa Cruz Peters. Ito na si Pista. Pista with a set play. A bounce pass for Pulitan. Given back to number 16. A ball movement. Cross court pass for swing. Swing on the baseline. Drive off the glass. It's good para the swing. 66 to 63. It's a 3-point lead for the team away. Crossing in the big ring is jersey number 10. And here comes number 10 from downtown. Short. Rebound on jersey number 0. Alapas. Vista for the getaway. Off the glass is good. Para kay Vista. 66 to 65. 1-point lead deficit para sa ating team away. 4 minutes and 42 seconds remaining in the third. Shot clock down to 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7. A save shot and a lucky bounce para kay Santos. Here comes Pista. Bring down to the third for something Santa Cruz veterans. Bounce pass for Garcia. Pulling down. Heavily guarded by Diciembre. And he picks up the ball with a shot clock down to 12. 11. Short one. Tap and a bola and a whistle blow. Foul on jersey number 77. A pushing foul for Pulitan. And a second team foul. Second on you, Pulitan with a second team foul into the third. Time left 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Carry on. Santos, Polo, Monco, Pista on the rebound. Second and rebound for the Santa Cruz veterans. Bring down the leader for number 16. Pista over to number 0. Carlos with the ball fakes. Carlos fakes. He fires off the glass. It's good. Para kay Carlos.
Isa na lang yan.
Picks up the ball. 68-67. 1-point lead para sa ating Salenga. Shot clock is 11 seconds. Attack pedal for carry on. Shot clock 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, out of bounds. Subdivision Carlos out. Pahinga muna, boss. The score is 67 to 68. 1-point lead for the White. With the time remaining 3 minutes and 28 seconds. Pista, a bounce pass for swing. Swing, launches, now go, rebound para kay Salenga. And here comes Santos, bring down the left. Santos inside. Contra Pectos, rebound na yan para kay swing. And here comes Pista. Cross court pass para kay number 7 and falling down.
Ay, puta! Nangyari, pare!
Whistle, a basket is count. A blocking foul para kay jersey number 31. 3-point play opportunities.
Pero yung may galaw ka palang ganun?
Kailan pa yun?
Ngayon mo na nakita yun?
69 to 16, the change favor, the bonus. Complete the 3-point play. Magpapainom ka mamaya. Picks up the ball by Cremon. Change favor, 17. Loses and whistle. Foul na yan. Para kay jersey number 16. That was Pista. With an hacking foul, team foul number 3.
Si Pista ang ball?
Team foul number 1, I think personal foul. Wide open for Diciembre. 1 goal. Rebound, bounce, and rebound. Almost.
Takbo na, pare! Lakas mo pare. Pare. Anit, pinakain kaya yata ni ano eh. Pinakain kaya yata na may sili pare. Ah.
Involved for Tolentino. Give it to Santos. Back to jersey number 4 for the team Abe Abe. A 4-point lead for the Santa Cruz Veterans. Tolentino on Jimenez. Jimenez on the attack. Running shot off the glass. One goal rebound on Garcia. Garcia over to Vista. Set play muna tayo sa Benevista. Apakang putos ka lamang ngayon ng ating Santa Cruz Veterans. Balik kay swing. Swing. Balik kay Vista. 14 on the shot clock. 13. 12. Victor is good. He gets the Terminator, a bounce pass, and it's a same ball. Last touch for swing, same ball for the wide.
Ay na pare.
Arakan mo pag meriendan naman, boss, palitan. Tolentino on the wings, an overshield, and here comes an escape para kay Garcia. Salenga, on the way downtown. Patay si Lizardo, with a putback para kay number 4, that was Tolentino.
Nangyari dun.
74-17, back to 4-point lead for the veterans. Swing, setting a play for the Santa Cruz Veterans. Here in the third, Garcia gave it inside. Pull off a quick release para kay jersey number 66. That was Mr. Sampang. 76-70, 6-point lead for the veterans. Tolentino looking for the receiver. A bounce was inside for jersey number 88 and throws a foul. Foul committed on jersey number 77. That was his third personal foul. Warning for penalty para sa ating Santa Cruz Veterans. 31 out, Garcia out. Garcia out. Coming in as number 25. Under substitution, sino Mr. Carlos? O, pahinga muna.
O pare, pahinga ka na para pagdating ng fourth quarter, kung ipapasok ka.
Balik po ng Lagini. The bounce pass for number 20, but loses the ball. And it's a turnover. 1 minute and 15 seconds remaining in the third period. Garcia give it to number 16 and he comes Vista. Bring down the leader. Para sa ating Santa Cruz selection. Give it to swing. Swing to Carlos. 15 on the shot clock. Carlos launches. Won't go. Rebound on Diciembre.
Bola!
Santos almost loses an effort by Carlos. 14 on the shot clock. A bounce pass for number 25. 10 seconds on the shot clock. A scoop with a reverse. Nolan Selecta. Offensive for Santos and throws a foul. Foul committed in jersey number 10. Penalty.
Nawala yun sa ilalim ng depensa. Isa, saan? Ay, si Garcia.
There's on number 10 pero penalty. The first lumabas para kay Santos.
Wika na pre! Pauwi na si Yo, pauwi na si Kiko. Pauwi na si Kiko. O, pauwi na. May biyahe ka ba pre? Wika na.
42 seconds remaining in the third.
Bet sila kayo na.
Para kay Carlos.
Magandang laban yan.
14 seconds on the shot clock on the wings for some pound for 2. 29 seconds to go.
Pare, uwi ka na? Oo. May biyahe ka pa mamaya.
25 seconds.
Uwi na pare.
And it's a game clock na tayo. 17 seconds. Here in the third period.
Dikit ang laban nung nakaraan pag wala ka. Pero ngayon kaya, didikit kaya?
Up to 16 seconds. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9,
Ganda naman!
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 seconds.
Nice one, Lan.
2.3 seconds.
Geng!
Kung matapos ang ating third period, doon tayo. 2.3 seconds in the third period.
Hola, shot!
Again, foul naman si Garcia.
Catch and shoot!
Garcia, number 5, swing. Fire!
rope niya. Oh, wasok niya. Don't worry.
Santos. Carlos with the ball. Now committed in jersey number 25. That was Diciembre. Picks up his first with the first team foul. 2 shots for the Carlos. This is our final period. The first try is good. Para the number 0. An 81-71 10-point lead for the Santa Cruz selection. Second to his last throw. Aims and he fires. 1-2. The ball by Diciembre is an 11-point lead, joined by the Santa Cruz selection here in the exhibition game of 14 para period. But it's a 3 para the jersey number 4. Yan si Mr. Tolentino. That's 82-74, 8-point lead. Give it to jersey number 19, Santos. Shot clock winding 11. Shot clock is a rebound by the jersey number 88. The long pass for number 10. Unable to control. And it's an out of bounds. A turnover for the team. Ame. Carlos on the ball. Give it back to jersey number 19. That was Santos. Santos back to Carlos. Sagutan ng 3 na yun. Pero walang puntos pa rin kalamangan ng ating Santa Cruz. Give it to number 19, Santos. Give it inside. Falling time misses. Rebound para kay Diciembre. Diciembre over to Tolentino. Tolentino again from the waist. An air ball out of bounds. Loses the ball by Salenga. It's a touch loss for the team of Ame. It's still an 85-77, an 8-point lead para sa ating Santa Cruz selection. Beltran, jersey number 12, looking for a receiver. Dribbling in front, give it inside to swing. A drop pass from down low. A sorry miss para kay Mr. Polintan. A bounce pass, net handle, and a whistle. First try para kay Salenga. Connects by number 3. Second to his last throw. Aims, fires, misses. Recovers, final time, Diciembre misses. Swinging on the rebound. Give it to jersey number 3. Comes pulling down, bring down the ladder. The bounce was Beltran off the glass. In and out. Rebound to jersey number 4. A bullet pass para the number 3. Here comes Salenga. Salenga puts it up. Too strong. Rebound on swing. Swings again the rebound. Give it to jersey number 19. And here comes Santos. Santos. A drop pass. Beltran on the baseline. Block. But recovers para the number 7 from down low, no go. Rebound bottle ako naman ang ating team Abiyama. Diciembre on a 15-foot line, in and out. And another rebound. Naagaw naman the jersey number 9, Matias. And is another, to push it para the number 25, yan sa Mr. Diciembre. Ano ba yan? An 80-85, 5-point lead para sa ating Santa Cruz selection. Santos, Beltran, long range. That was a long two. Di pumasok rebound para the swing.
Yes!
And it's a good for 2.
Kuha! Taas na.
Yung 80 lang, 80 pa lang yan, 80.
Taas pare.
Wala po,
Ay, pusa.
Good for 2 yan, tama na yan, 87-82.
Wala sa ilalim.
5-point lead again para sa ating Santa Cruz selection. And here comes Santos magmalenga. Launches.